What's up you guys, this is Vincanity, and today we're going to be learning how to do the head coin drop. Now a lot of you guys have been requesting how to do the actual no-handed coin drop, and this is going to be kind of a preliminary step to doing that. This one is a lot less scary and a little less dangerous because you're not jumping from standing, and we're going to learn this right now. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so something that's going to be helpful in learning this is just wearing simply a beanie. This is definitely not necessary, but because you're going to be on your head, rubbing your head a lot, it definitely will make a much more comfortable experience. Now the first thing you guys need to know is how to do a backspin to your feet. Not necessarily spin, but learning how to kick in a circle, lifting up to your feet. Also, knowing how to do a windmill will definitely make this a much smoother experience. But if you guys watch my windmill tutorials, I actually said that this will be useful in learning the windmill as well. So they all kind of complement each other. But if you do know windmills and you do know how to do a backspin to your feet, it'll definitely make this experience a lot easier. So to start out, let's actually just practice a couple of times doing that backspin to your feet, kicking around and lifting up. That's basically going to be the pop motion of the coin drop. One more time. All right, so the more power you guys can have in that, the better it's going to be for the head coin drop, because obviously for the head coin drop, you're not going to have all that time to kick your legs around and spin. So to get started, I'm going to approach this as if you've never done this before in your entire life. So the first thing we have to learn how to do is go from our head to our back. Okay, we're going to go and do this nice little head, I guess you could say a bridge, and we're going to practice swinging our arms like this. Okay, if you use your left hand for your windmill stab, okay, you are going to swing your left arms underneath. All right, your left arm, boom, and your right arm just kind of follows. If you use your right arm to stab, you're going to use your right arm to punch in, and your left arm is just going to follow along like that. Okay, let's try it from here, and we're going to swing, and we're just going to fall to our back. Okay, one more time. Lead with your arms. Here, swing, and just fall to your back. Okay, just let your legs kind of go. Now from here, what we want to learn how to do is jump to our back almost, right? So our arms guide us to it, and our legs have to jump to our back. We're gonna practice doing this one leg at a time. So my arms are gonna swing, and my left leg is gonna just kind of follow with it. So my right leg is gonna stay on the floor the whole time. Okay, let's try it slowly. Here, boom, my arms swing, and my left leg is gonna kind of just follow along. Okay, just to kind of like break the ice. And if you guys have never done this, it is kind of a scary experience. So just to kind of break the ice with that. So just do one leg at a time. Okay, one more time. Swing, and left leg comes through. Okay. Once you get comfortable with that, what we want to do is that same swing motion, but we are going to jump. So our legs are going to be here, and they're going to jump like that. Right? When they jump, I'm going to basically turn my body to my back, kind of like I was going to do a windmill. Okay? Let's try it. From here, jump, boom. Okay? As you can see, I jump and swing almost sequentially. Jump, boom. One more time. Here, from my head, jump, swing. Okay, it's pretty much going from your head into a windmill. Now, all together, trying to keep my legs a little bit straighter. From here, jump, boom, right? And if you wanted to, actually, you could go into other power moves from there. In our case, we're simply just trying to jump back up to our head, okay? So once we get to here, it's kind of that same windmill flow. Our legs kick up, we turn, and we're gonna end just like that, okay? So let's go really, really slow for this one. Ready? It goes here, to our back, back to here. Okay? You don't have to do this fast. You do want to take your time, and you do want to get comfortable with it. Okay? Again, from our headstand, swing, boom. All right. For now, just kind of ride that motion. When you get to your back, take your time, over. Okay, let's go for 2. Boom. Boom. Right now, as you guys do this, use your hands to guide you and use your feet to really enable yourselves to stop. There's actually a really cool technique I'll teach you guys in the future, which kind of involves a little bit of your leg technique, which allows you to kind of go over and over and over. But for now, we're just trying to perfect just one. Okay, let's do it one more time. From here, boom. And lastly is doing a head coin drop to your feet, which kind of simulates like how people will do a normal coin drop landing on their feet. Okay, the main thing for this is when you get to your back, here you have to generate enough power to kick yourself to your feet. Okay, so this first one, we're gonna do it just like how we did the backspin. We're gonna use our hands and we're gonna push up. Let's try it. From here. Boom. One more time. And one more time. All right, you guys, and lastly would be doing the head coin drop to your feet without using hands, and that is kind of a challenge. So let's try it out. One more time. And one more time. All right, you guys, this is the head coin drop. Again, it's not something that happens overnight. Take the time to learn the form so that you don't bump your shoulder, you get to your back smoothly, and you're able to jump landing on your feet. Okay? You guys have fun with this move, and again, as always, learn it, perfect it, have fun with it, get creative. Okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.